I'd like to go over with you how to access McGraw-Hill to be able to, for example, listen to the text being read to you. Like in my videos, sometimes I'll have the little speaker play part of the text and it'll read the text out loud to you. The books that you have, it'll be the same text as what's online for McGraw-Hill Wonders, but this is just one more way that you can access it. So if you go to ClassLink, when you open your Chromebook and are viewing Chrome, ClassLink should be the thing that appears for you. If not, try pressing home or go to the Muncie School District webpage, and up at the top of the Muncie School District webpage it will have ClassLink on the district page as an option right here. So going on to ClassLink, type in the graduation year, last name, first initial, and then your lunch number plus MSD on the end. I have mine saved then, so I can just press sign in, and then you'll see all of your applications, all of your apps. Now my apps are going to look a little different than yours. I have more that I've added, and also ones that appear for teachers. But this is supposed to be an application that appears on your ClassLink for McGraw-Hill. This is our textbook company for Wonders. Clicking on that, it'll have a spot where you can put in your username and password. Now you see what's happening, that one click there? That's what I want you to be able to do also, so it's very easy. I'm going to email each of you your username and your password to make sure that you have it, that you can enter it in the one time. After you do that through ClassLink, after you access, here it is, ClassLink, after you go onto ClassLink and I'm clicking on McGraw-Hill and I'm entering my username and password the first time, it should do just like it did for me, that making magic happen, and it'll save your password. It's one of the wonderful things about ClassLink. Now your page is going to look different than mine. I have access to the student edition and the teacher edition, the ability to assign different things. But when you go on to a text and you're able to open up, I'll just click any one of them. The text is the same for all of you there. It'll look something like this, the page. And so under Read, sometimes you'll have a to-do list, and I will give you things from time to time. This will be your vocabulary for the week, and there will be some games to practice vocabulary, the words you know, and games. We won't use this one as often, but from time to time I'll give you directions for that. But going on to Read, you'll be able to access, here's a practice book page that I actually did assign with the sequencing skill. This is the fresh idea. I had made a video of the first read through a fresh idea, and in the video I had the computer read the first page. Well, now you then can have the computer read to you the text, or you can read it yourself in your workbook as well. The different options should appear for you, even having the questions read to you. Each time you click on a little speaker, it'll read that text out loud to you. And then once you click, down here is where the process is.
One bright Saturday morning, Molly and her mom walked around the neighborhood.
You can press pause there. I found out the hard way. If you click this again, let's say we want to unpause, we want to time in and play it some more. If I click this again, it's going to start over again. So you need to come back down here to play from that 6-second mark. Okay, this is where I can click there and then drag. If that's in my way somewhere, I can click and drag that up to the top, or we'll put it back down at the bottom, and this will close it all together. This will close that all together. I did want to show you also over at the very, very bottom of the page, it'll show you what page numbers you're on. To the side can be where you very easily click onto the next page there. So these were the two pages then that I referenced, and I showed you the questions, but I didn't actually have the text read to you. And so with your Wonders login, you can actually go and have any text read to you. the main story that we'll be testing on at the end of the Unit 1, Weeks 3 and 4 test will be One Hen, and likewise you can open that up and have that read to you as well.